In this video, we're going to take a look at a key feature of reciprocals. Looking at the example on the left-hand side, I need to fill in the missing gaps so that 2 times something is equal to 1. In order to get the product to equal 1, I need to take the reciprocal of 2, and this will be what will fill in the missing gaps. In a previous video that I'll link here, we looked at how we can find a reciprocal. And the key thing was to divide 1 by the number itself. So 1 divided by 2. This is a half. And this is how I can find out what the missing terms would be. That 2 times a half is definitely equal to 1. And a half is the reciprocal of 2. One other thing that you'll notice is that a half is the same as 2 over 1 but flipped upside down. And this is a quick way of actually finding a reciprocal. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So I need to find the reciprocal of a quarter using 1 divided by 1/4 would be exactly the same as 1 times by 4 over 1, which is 4. So to fill in the missing gaps, it would be 4 over 1. And so a quarter times 4 over 1 is equal to 1. Again, you'll notice that 1/4 has been flipped upside down to create the reciprocal.